Hello everyone. Today we are at Kharadi and this is a new launch property. We are at the 3 BHK sample flat of 1203 square feet carpet area. So this is the entrance. At the entrance you have digital lock system and video door phone system having intercom facility. This is your living area. This side can be the provision for your TV unit setup, and here you have attached gallery. This is a balcony concept, so it will be covered from top. No odd even concept in this project, so privacy is fully maintained. You can fully utilize this part. And the dining area is separated, so it is L-shaped living cum dining area. This is the dining space which you are seeing. You can easily place a round table. If you can also place a bigger one. Behind this you have kitchen. Kitchen has L-shaped granite platform, a very long platform you can see. We are providing lower cabinets just like this, upper cabinets, and hob chimney. This will be provided. This is the dry balcony having an extended platform and provision for storage. Now we'll see the bedrooms. This side is the first bedroom. You can call it as a guest bedroom. A spacious one, very neatly designed. This can be the space for your wardrobe or study table. Here also you can place some wardrobe, shelves. And this is the common washroom of this flat. The tile selection which you are seeing, the color combination, CP and sanitary fittings, everything will be same except the furniture part, the loose furnitures and the interior part. This is the second bedroom now. First master bedroom of this flat, or the children bedroom. Here you can place your wardrobe, provision is provided, and this is the attached washroom. And beside this you have the third bedroom and the second master bedroom, a very spacious one. It has a private lobby area where you can fix some wardrobes just like this. And this is the bedroom. This side you have window and this side is the attached washroom. So for this particular project we are having some good offers, so please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thank you so much for watching this video.